Hi, this is Super Tramp 900, and this is one of my Connects guns. I just modded it, and it's right here. I put a light on it, so it goes. I'll show you here. Wait, it's a special light, so I use it. Right now, it's all wobbly, so it still works, but it's just bad. And I made mags for it. They're right here. It's 3. And what you do is you put it in and you slap it, and then there's this little blue thing right there, and you go, and then you turn your light on. Look for scary monsters. So if I have enough connects, I'll give you a tutorial. So okay, thank you.